Hi friends, I am Asmitha.
Welcome to my channel. Holly is a transgender truckie. Her penchant for glitter, however, comes second to grit. On a sprawling driveway in Tumut, a tiny town off the Hume Highway near Wagga Wagga, Holly Conroy is clocking off work. Her hoop earrings clash perfectly with her high-vis get-up. Holly is also a trailblazer, throwing the first ever Pride Parade in Wagga Wagga. Holly is the only trans woman working at Tumut Freight Service. In 2019, at the age of 38, she came out as transgender for the second time. Before her transformation, she was David Conroy, a man. David Conroy liked his footy, his mixed martial arts training and his R1000 motorcycle. In February 2016, he posted a bombshell on Facebook. Conroy was going to start living as the gender he identified with and would be changing his name to Holly. Her colleagues were supportive. Holly says it's become easier to come out as a trans person in recent years. She should know, she attempted to come out 10 years ago, when she was 27. My biggest supporters tried to talk me out of it, she says. They were family and friends who said, "We love you, but..." I was too afraid to be 100% honest with everyone because I wasn't getting the support that I needed, she says. I didn't have the confidence, I just didn't know how to transition back then, she says. Eventually I just went back into my little shell. But now, 10 years later, the world has changed. Her boss at the construction company she worked for, Lend-Lease, called her into his office. He wanted her to know she could come into work as Holly and had the company's full support. She's since changed jobs, and says her new employer, Suez Australia, has been just as supportive. Every month or so Holly and 4 or 5 other nearby residents meet up as part of a Wagga Wagga trans support group. We don't meet as often as I'd probably like, she says. She still loves her R1000 motorcycle and still loves her footy. I'm a fanatical Roosters fan, Holly says. I've always been a sporty person and I always will be a sporty person, and my gender's not going to change that, she says. I've never been so happy in my life. Holly Conroy is a finalist in the NSW Women of the Year Awards 2020 after blazing her own trail in a regional city. She is the only transgender finalist for the 2020 Women's Awards. Watch the beautiful Holly with music.
Enormous, instantaneous.
for watching this video.